Hi friends, let me tell you a story. Once, a farmer had an animal farm. There lived a cow, a pig, and a hen. There was also a mouse who used to sneak into the farm and eat other animals' feed. One day, the mouse was peeping through the fence, and what he witnessed was shocking because the farmer's wife was setting a mouse trap. The mouse got panicked and ran through the farm to inform all the other animals. First, it met the cow and cautioned about the mouse trap. The cow said, "Look, this is for small creatures like you. It is not even my food size. It cannot kill me." The mouse then went on to pig and informed about the mouse trap. The pig did not even pay attention. The disappointed mouse went to hen and said, "Look, the farmer's wife has set a mouse trap. Be careful." The hen cackled and said, "Have you ever seen a hen being killed by a mouse trap? My body is bigger than the mouse trap. It cannot kill me." On that night, when everyone was sleeping, a loud noise was heard from the farmhouse. At once, the farmer's wife knew it was the mouse trap that she had set. In the darkness, she was looking for the mouse trap. Unfortunately, the snake that was being trapped bit farmer's wife. As a result, the farmer had to take his wife to the town hospital. The poor farmer did not have money, so he had to sell the cow to the butcher. After returning from the hospital, many relatives came to visit her. In order to feed the relatives, the farmer had to kill the pig. The relatives suggested to give her chicken soup. Finally, the farmer killed the hen and made the soup. The moral of the story is, when someone is having problem, we cannot ignore and sit thinking that it is not my problem. It will eventually affect every one of us, as we heard in the story. We have witnessed many calamities on recent days. To name some, the migrant struggle due to unplanned lockdown, the victims of coronavirus, custodial deaths, lynching, flood, earthquake, deforestation, etc. During these struggles, few good Samaritans who went out of their way to help others. In helping others, we help ourselves. Friends, we are all interconnected social beings. Today's bad weather for your neighbor could be yours tomorrow. Therefore, let's be determined to help others struggle promptly and make this earth a better place for everyone. Thus, we can build heaven on earth, here and now. Thank you.